I'm going to show you how to find the answers to the data analysis problems in the lab. Okay, question number 1 asks us to identify the pairs of chemicals from each set that produce precipitates. What that means is we're going to go through our data and find the things that turned cloudy and write those chemicals here. So in set 1, the very first pair of solutions turned cloudy and white. So we're simply going to write right here the two formulas from that set. So BaNO3 2 and Na2SO4. There's really nothing to figure out for this column. There's nothing to figure out for that first question. And if you're in Chem 1 and trying to figure out how to do this, the questions relate to the columns on the table. Now you are short a column. I'll explain that in a bit. Okay, so we found our solution set. Now I need the possible formulas for the precipitate. Well, when two ionic compounds like this react, what they're going to do is they're going to switch anions, okay? But we have to be careful with our charges. It doesn't simply switch the two symbols because the oxidation numbers go with the ions, not the subscripts that are here, right? So remember, this 2 has nothing to do with the nitrate, but it has more to do with the barium. So the best way you can do this is to write out the two names. So this is barium nitrate and sodium sulfate. I'm going to write the names the other way. So I'm going to write one that's here and one there. So my two names are barium sulfates, okay, and sodium nitrate. Okay, and then I'm going to find formulas for those, mostly ignoring what's over here. Okay, because, yeah, you'll be happiest if you ignore this and now find formulas for these two names. So barium is a Ba2+, sulfate is SO4, 2-, right? My charges match, so I would reduce them before I cross them. And my final answer will be BaSO4. Okay, and then down here, my sodium nitrate, I would have Na+ and NO3-. Okay. We should have put these in parentheses, right? Put parentheses here, and then we cross Na, and I won't need the parentheses anymore on my nitrate, NO3, like that. Okay, so this, right, do this for all of your chemicals before you try to move on to the next step. Go through and write out all the pairs that react, and then go through and find the names for those new possible substances and then the formulas for those new possible substances.